Introducing Braun's most advanced shaver with synchrosonic technology, new Series 9. Braun's first shaver with 4 specialized cutting elements for our most efficient and comfortable shave ever. The new Hyper Lift and Cut trimmer lifts and cuts flat-lying hairs. The Direct and Cut trimmer aligns and cuts hairs growing in different directions. The unique Optifoil captures stubborn hairs and even the shortest stubble. The synergy of 4 perfectly synchronized cutting elements amplified by sonic technology delivers 40,000 cross-cutting actions per minute to capture different types of hair. New Series 9, only from Braun.